guys, so today we are going to be playing some Adopt Me. Okay, sorry about that. We are going to be playing some Adopt Me. It's my favorite game, so I'll get into the server. Oh, have you guys checked out this girl called Galaxy's YouTube? She's one of my friends, so we haven't met in person, but she's one of my internet friends. She's really nice though. I have her right here, and we just met one day and Adopt Me, and I thought she was really nice, and I friended her and she accepted it, and then I found out she was a pretty famous YouTuber. So now we're friends, and we're yet to meet in person. I don't know where she lives though, because I'm not a creep who asks that. But I'll get into the server and I'll meet you back when I get in there. Okay guys, I'm in the server. I'm going to show you my outfit in a few seconds because I need to get outside because my house is jam-packed. So, okay. Here is my outfit, and I'm actually going to change it because I don't want it. Okay, so moral of the story, Katie made this outfit for me and I really like it. Because I made her something like that and then she made me something exactly the same. We're going to see what people trade for a dodo bird. Hopefully we get some offers. So here it is. Its name is Fruit Loop. It's really cute. And we're just going to meet you guys at the center. Okay guys, I'm at the center of Adopt Me, and we're just gonna see what people trade. Oh my gosh, this isn't gonna work. No, I don't want strollers. Yes, pets. Hold on. Dodo. No, not my neon unicorn. This. Oh, there's a group of people here. Trading a dodo. Oh, we got a trade request. Let's add it. A ride cow, that's it. I don't think I want to do that. I'm gonna ask him to add. They added an albino bat. I don't really want to do that, so I'm just gonna. Well, this is their offer. Oh, they're still adding. I have all those things, so I have all those. Wait, what is that one? I don't really want to do that trade, so I'm gonna decline. There, instead of trading dodo, let's see if we get an offer. Okay. I kind of want to get some offers, people. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to switch servers. Okay, so we're trying to join a friend's game, but their game is full. And I'm waiting for someone to leave. Come on. Okay, looks like we're going to have to find a different server. What about this one? Oh, we actually get to join this one. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can join. We joined. Okay. Now let's go straight to the gifts. Which I put in there. And oh, also, if any of you would like to offer for my dodo, you can just friend me. And my username is Cookie on the Plate, no spaces, no capitals. Oh my gosh, my God. I gotta move this. Okay. Does anyone want to offer for my dodo bird? I'm gonna say trading dodo. Set it. Oh my gosh, my chat. We got an offer. Okay, so I'm gonna add the dodo, the Ridable Dodo. Guys, should I accept that or should I not? I don't think I'm gonna. Sorry. I didn't accept it. There's someone with a turtle. That's like my dream pet. But I'm only gonna accept it if it's right. They're riding a dragon. I'm gonna show them that I already have a dragon. Okay, I show them. No. Okay. There's a golden griffin. Oh my gosh. I'm debating if I should accept this. If they accept... Wait. Do they want to accept or are they just trolling me? I don't know. I'm gonna decline. Oh, they already declined. Let's see if this girl's got a trade. Oh. Let's see. No, I'm just gonna ask him to add. Please. Add, please. I don't know. Oh, someone just traded me. I think it's her. I think it's her. Okay, guys. Here's her offer so far. A bunch of legendary cars. Oh, a dragon. An Aussie egg. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I should do this. I don't know. Or I could trade my human bubble. How about we do that? I'm sorry if this is a boring video. If it's just boring, then click out of it and go watch one of my other videos. Oh, someone just traded me. I'm gonna put in my human bubble and see what they offer. It looks like it's not. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. No way, no way. Oh dang it, they already have a dodo. Dang it! That was my dream pet. I'm kind of bummed about that, but that's okay. Well, I don't really know what to do anymore. How about we... Oh my gosh. Should we join my friend? None of my friends are online anymore. That's sad. How about we play a different game? Actually, no, let's not. I like playing it on me. Ooh, and maybe I'll even join a server with a lot more pets to offer because I just switched servers. I didn't mean to do that, but if it's it's like richer people, then I'm gonna try to trade my neon dragon. Okay, teleporting right to the gifts. Brand new server. Brand spanking new server. Let's see. People want to trade today, huh? Okay, I'm gonna pull out my ride. Oh my gosh. This is a nice server. It's very laggy. Who wants to trade? Oh my gosh. I got a trade from that girl. Let's see what she offers. What did she just offer? A rideable ginger cat. Another one. Are you gonna put 4 in or something? Oh, I don't want to do that one. Kangaroo. Neon kangaroo. Dang it, she's already in a trade. I'm gonna pull out my neon dragon because this seems like a pretty good server. Alrighty, guys. Let's see if people have what I want. Yes, yes, yes. Someone. Dang it, they declined it when I just put my dodo in. Oh, I got a trade request. Put in my neon dragon. Oh no, I will do this though. I will definitely do this. No, apparently they don't want to. This is getting a kind of a boring video for some people, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. Maybe we can do some more. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you all subscribe. Goodbye. Oh, how do I end this? This is on my tablet, so I don't know how.